welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to increase virtual memory on Windows 10. This virtual memory is a memory management technology of an operating system that uses hardware and software to allow a computer to compensate for physical memory shortages by transferring superfetched data from RAM to hard disk. This virtual memory can be increased manually, but keep in mind this is not a replacement of computer's physical memory. At first, let me show you. Currently, it has 8 GB physical memory installed and this device's maximum physical memory support capacity is 32 GB. To see the currently system allocated virtual memory size, at first go to Settings, then System, select Storage. After that, click on View Storage Usage on other devices under Most Storage Settings. Click on System Partition, then System and Reserved. Okay, as you can see that the currently system allocated virtual memory size 8.1 GB. In case if extra system memory is required when you running multiple programs on computer, then system automatically manage this virtual memory area on the hard disk just as extension to RAM. However, now let me show you how you can increase this virtual memory manually. Okay, go to Windows search box. Type Advanced System Settings and press Enter. Next, go to Advanced tab. Next, click Performance Settings. Go to Advanced tab. Now, select your virtual memory is for programs or background service which you want. After that, click Change. Now, you have to uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives to increase virtual RAM. Okay, now you can manually select your drive for virtual memory. Just follow the screen instruction to calculate the virtual memory size. The initial size should be 1.5 multiply the amount of total RAM. So, if you have 8 GB RAM, then the initial size should be 12,488 megabyte. And the maximum size should be 3 multiply the amount of total RAM. So, if you have 8 GB RAM, then the maximum size should be 24,576 megabyte. Once done, click on Set. Click on OK. OK and OK. Now restart once. After restarting, let me show you the currently system allocated virtual memory size. Okay, as you can see that the currently virtual memory shows 12 GB. Also, you can check virtual memory activity status from Performance Monitor. At first, go to Windows search box and search for Performance Monitor. Now click on Performance Monitor under Monitoring Tools. Click on green Add button. Select paging file under Available Counters. and click on Add button. Once done, click on OK. Now click Change Graph Type button and select Report. Now you can clearly monitor your virtual memory activity status. However, if you want to reset it to default, then go to Windows search box. Type Advanced System Settings and press enter. Next, click Performance Settings. Go to Advanced tab. After that, click Change. Now, select the option System Managed Size. Once done, click on Set. Now, you have to check this box to automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Click on OK, OK, and OK. Now restart once. After restarting, let me show you the currently system allocated virtual memory size. Okay, as you can see, now it's automatically reset it to default. So I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.